Just even simple conversations, because many of us, at least in the leadership sphere, the training of leadership sphere, understand the importance of having scheduled one-on-ones.
Oh
The
yeah.
thing is, the thing is, I mean, if I don't even talk to you in the first place, even just to say good morning, how the kids, okay, how are you going to talk to me in the one-on-one? Okay, so even even those small, little chit chats on the side, just to get the person comfortable talking to you,
Right.
especially if you're the GM and let's say, I'm an intern there in the front desk and the GM wants to talk to me. I said, I'll be trembling. Okay, no matter how nice and accommodating you look, I'll be
All
scared to
right.
death.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, you did mention Wakeman, and Wakeman talks about essentially his book, No Ego: How Leaders Can Cut the Cost of Workplace Drama and Entitlement to Drive Big Results. Now, his idea is that energy, uh, how much energy is lost, okay, through drama, through
Mm.
venting, the stories that they say, the resistance in changes, or anything that's had going on. There's always something going on, especially in a hotel. Okay. And there's always something that doesn't go right.